y'all, it's Taryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be using a luxury lifestyle sticker kit from Chrishia Designs, and I got two new washies from According to Ollie, who is I'll put her website below as well as the Chrishia Designs because that one's actually on Etsy. And I was just scrolling through Etsy because I have like a million things in my cart, of course, and I decided to go ahead and hit the purchase button on this because I just absolutely loved her stuff. It was just so different from what I currently am using. So I didn't shop my stash this week. So we are going to do these new ones. But with this kit, I loved the actual color scheme, like the neutrals with the black, and then just the lady with the hat. Like everything just screamed just like luxury. So I wanted to kind of play around with this kit. I did get a few more individual stickers and another kit from her as well, but you'll see that in future videos because I'm obsessed. But I really did love how this spread turned out. It is something different. This is actually in my Capital Chic Designs vertical planner, which her things, some of the kit stickers I could have used in my mini kit because I did like how she offered variety of sizes even though it was a kit. And this is the full one, so when you go on Etsy you'll see she has just deco boxes or the full kit. So I got the full, but there's so many stickers I can definitely reuse it in future spreads. So I just loved how this turned out, and I can't wait to use some more. I'm just really into washi too right now. I don't know what took me so long to get there, but we're here. So hopefully you guys are having a great summer. This week or this weekend rather, I'm headed on our first vacation since COVID. So I'm a little nervous, but happy at the same time. So I did pre-plan these videos so that way I will be more on task and on schedule because next Monday we'll still be traveling. So I hope you guys are doing great. Let me know in the comment box any video ideas that you'd like to see. Do you have the Capital Chic Designs planner? And if so, what are you guys doing with it? So love to hear from you and hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video.